Good morning, students. Today I am here to share the information regarding the computer network course. This computer network course is very important and it's good subject, you can say that, to learn everyone, because as we are using various devices which are wireless one in our home as well as in any organization, in any other places we are using these things. And for that, the devices which are used one, that devices are connected to each other to share the information. And this concept, it is nothing but the computer network concept. So here everybody should know how the computer network works, and for that I am here to share the exactly the concept of the computer network. Now in this course we are going to see the local area network. That means how the local area network it is established one. That means how the devices are connected to each other, the types of the network which is considered for the connecting the devices, the types of the topology to consider to establish that particular network with using the devices. Then we are going to see the exactly which kind of the wired LAN is there, which kind of that wireless LANs are there, that we are going to see in this chapter. Next, it is the data link layer. Data link layer, that means here the data which is used to communicate with in between the devices, that how it is getting connected or how it is getting sent from the sender side to receiver side. And during this transmission, whether any error it is occurred one, if the error it is occurred one, the how the error it is correct detected one, then after the detection how the error it is corrected one, that we are going to see in this data link layer. Apart from that, in the data link layer, for the transmission of the data, which multiple access technique we are using one, so that our data it can be shared without error. Now next it is the network layer. In this network layer we are going to see the exactly the network layer services, and apart from that network layer services, the IP address which is used to connect the devices for the sharing the information. In this network layer we are going to see exactly the IP version 4, that addressing technique, and next one is the IP version 6, the advanced or next generation IP address technique we are going to see here. And along that, the internet protocols, which is again related to the IP version 4 and IP version 6. So these things we are going to see in a network layer. See, these are the related to the network. For that it is considered in the network layer. Now transport layer. Now we know that we are sending the information from one device to the other device. So which protocol it is used to transport that exactly information in the network. So in this we are going to see the UDP, user datagram protocol. Then we are going to see TCP. Then we are going to see SCTP. So these protocols are used to share the information in the network. Next layer which is considered, or next part which is considered, is the application layer. Now we are sharing the information in between the devices, and this information it is supposed to use for that particular user by using some applications, and this application layer exactly introduce which are the application we are using one. Now we people daily we are using this application, but exactly we don't know how it is working one. See, you people are using that particular www, that means World Wide Web. You are using to open the website. You are using the electronic mail. You are considering the HTTP to open that particular website. And very important thing is that students, you are using FTP to get the or to get some sort of the data or setup from that particular server. So these are the applications which are considered in the application layer, and we are going to see exactly how it is considered in the computer network. And last and important part is the network security. See, here in the network security, we know that even though in our home we want everything should be secure. Likewise, in computer network is also same thing. So whenever you are sharing the data, it should be secured one. That means whenever the data is transferred from the sender to the receiver, it should be having some sort of the security code so that only receiver can access that particular information. That information should not be hacked one. And this thing we are going to see in the network security. So likewise, we can learn the basic things which is required to understand the exactly computer network. And students, it is very important thing that if we are gaining this knowledge, then we can able to establish the network with having the our needs, whatever the needs are there, to fulfill that particular needs, we can secure our information, and for that we can use this particular computer network thing. So it's my humble request that everyone should gain this particular network computers or computer network concept, so that everybody know that exactly the concept behind the computer network. Thank you very much.